Hello, friends of KO. My name's Bessie and I'm so excited to be here today. I'm overtaking the kitchen, which is hilarious because I'm not necessarily a huge kitchen person, but today I am. Today I'll be sharing a very special recipe. It's special to me and it is my mum's halva recipe. And the reason why it's special is because for very many years in my youth, my mum made this as my birthday cake because my birthday landed in the midst of a spiritual fast. So if you are Greek and you are watching, it was in the midst of Panagias. We couldn't have dairy, we couldn't have meat, and so mum would make this as my birthday cake because I loved semolina. I really wanted to eat galaktoboureko or bulgatsa or something yummy and creamy like that, and I think she improvised and this was my cake, and now I crave this. But first, because it's Orexi, $5. Can we do that? Hilarious. Okay, but first, because it's Orexi, 5 fun facts about me. Okay, number 1, I love to dance. It's my favorite thing to do. I've done it professionally from a very young age, and even now, as I'm hitting 40, I've gone back to my love of dance. Fact number 2 is that I actually love to share my love of dance with people that don't normally dance. And this year I've launched a business called Abundance the Movement, and it's all about movement and fun for the body, mind and soul. And I actually can't believe that it's my job. I love it that much. I'm ready, and 5, 6, that way, and 1, 2, oh yes, 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 oh, oh. And what about Greek dancing? Oh, what about, hang on, what about, oh yes, we can do the Greek dancing. Good. Good. So much fun. Okay, after all that dancing, fact number 3 is that, and you might not believe this, but I actually didn't embrace my culture as a Greek woman until recently. And it was amazing people like Christine and like beautiful Debbie from Fresh Connection in Brighton, and all these gorgeous people that share their Greek and cultural recipes online. I actually felt comfortable enough to then go and explore that side of me and embrace the beautiful culture that I've got in my life. Fact number 4, I actually love culture so much, and I lived in Japan for 2 years. I was dancing over there. It was so much fun. Actually, most of the time they thought that I was Japanese because my last name, Nasiokas, in Japan, or in Japanese translates to Nasiokas. And fact number 5, this is a future fact number 5. I'm hoping and praying that I get to actually travel more with my children, with my husband, and maybe even dance on a few more rooftops all over the world. What a glorious thought. Okay. And now for the recipe, which is from a cookbook that my mum had. Oh, what's it called? This recipe comes from my mum's very loved Greek cooking book. I think it's called The Best Book of Greek Cookery. The Best Book of Greek Cookery, and it's by Chryssa Paradisis. Look how well loved it is. Okay, I'm basically sticking to the original recipe, except where they've put 2 cups of white sugar, I'm doing 1 cup of raw sugar and a little bit of vanilla extract. And when my mum used to make this for me, she actually made it mistissimo. So a little bit of a variation there. Let's go. Should we dance first? Ding, 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 ding. Warm up. Okay, so I need this, and I need this, bye. right, should we put the water in? Yum. Smells so good. Yes. Okay, now we go in and remove the cinnamon and the cloves. And the cloves are sometimes hard to find. You've got to fish for them. Oh, there it is. Okay, now we want it to look pretty on the top, so we're going to position some flaked almonds and kind of just spread them out in our mold. This is my mum's mold that I stole from her kitchen. Thanks, Mum. This mold reminds me of Yaya, where she makes her cream caramel. And then also a little bit of cinnamon too, because, whoops, oh, anyways. And now we just put the halva on top, and it really only needs a little quick couple of minutes to take shape. And it sets, and that's what I like. Quick cooking. Yum. All right. Now, once it's basically all in there, you just want to give it a little hand. A little bit. Okay, this is the final step. You get a little plate, the serving plate of your tela, you put it on top of your mold, you flip it over and pray that it works. Ooh. Yay! Okay, I'm going to have a little sneak peek to check that it actually took shape. It did! Really, it was just in the mold for a few minutes too. How great's that? And there you go. Oh my gosh, I can smell the spices, and it really does take me back to my birthday as a kid growing up in country Victoria, when Mum would make this in the service station, and every year it smelt just like this, and I really do still crave it. A great birthday treat, a great treat in general. It's really not too bad for you. I think it's relatively healthy, brings all the feels, makes you want to dance. It's your birthday, it's your birthday. So there you go. Kali Orexi pedia. I'm going to go take my cake. There you go. Who wants some? Yay! Delish. Okay. Yum, yum, yum. It tastes the same. It's beautiful. So good. You know what though? My mum didn't put pine nuts in hers. She just did the almonds. And the pine nuts are yummy too. A little bit of extra crunch.
Subscribe, save and share this video so we can make more quality content for you.